from the state of Uttar Pradesh. It's UP police that is now intensifying the investigation in the Bareilly unrest. Maulana Tauqeer Raza has been detained by the police. Police says Tauqeer Raza is the riot mastermind. 11 FIRs have been booked. Over 2,000 people have been booked by the police in this case. Let's listen into the reactions that are coming in.
अगर कोई इस तरह की चीज हम लोगों के सामने आएगी तो मोस्ट डेफिनेटली उसको आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करेंगे। और मैं आप लोगों को इसके माध्यम से एक चीज और बताना चाहूंगा कि हम लोग किसी भी निर्दोष व्यक्ति को किसी भी प्रकार से प्रताड़ित नहीं किया जाएगा। किसी भी ऐसे व्यक्ति को जो इस घटना में शामिल नहीं था उसको परेशान नहीं किया जाएगा। और जो इस घटना में शामिल थे या प्रत्यक्ष अप्रत्यक्ष रूप से शामिल थे उनको बख्शा नहीं जाएगा।
सर, अब तक कितनी गिरफ्तारी हो चुकी है और भी गिरफ्तारी हुई है? 8 तो भेज चुके हैं आप जेल, इसके अलावा और भी गिरफ्तारी?
मैंने आपको बताया टोटल 39 लोग हैं जो हिरासत में लिए गए थे। 8 लोगों को।
सर, इंटरनेट बैन की जो बात निकल के सामने आ रही है, क्या सोशल मीडिया वायरल हो रहा है? इंटरनेट बैन का प्लान है सर?
नहीं, इस प्रकार की कोई चीज
You just saw the reaction coming in from the Uttar Pradesh police. Now the UP police has intensified the investigation in the Bareilly unrest case. Maulana Tauqeer Raza, he's the one who's been detained by the police. The police says he's the one who's the mastermind behind the riots that took place in Bareilly. My colleague Santosh Sharma is now joining me on the story. Santosh, from what we are understanding so far, 11 FIRs have already been booked. Over 2,000 people have been booked by the police. They have been detained. Questioning is taking place now.
Main thing, the Bareilly police has taken cognizance of all those conspirators due to which Friday law and order was disturbed, and as a result, Tauqeer Raza initially was detained, and after primary inquiry, Tauqeer Raza and along with his 6 other associates, he's been arrested. What the SSP Bareilly Anurag Arya told that Tauqeer Raza and his 6 other associates were arrested and sent to the jail, and 39 persons have been detained in this whole violence, and police is checking their role, police is investigating their role, and right now we can say the police action has been started, and Tauqeer Raza has been booked, not only booked in 2 FIRs, even he has been arrested by the Bareilly police in the violence of the Friday namaz incident.
Right, Santosh, we also understand that a very clear instruction has come in from the Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. He has said all those people who were involved in this kind of riot, they will not be spared. Stringent action will be taken.
CM Yogi Adityanath has already given instructions time to time to all the field officers that strict action should be taken. All those who violates the law, all those who disturb the law and order of the state. And as a result, when Friday after Juma Namaz, when violence incident happened on the streets of Bareilly, the strict action has been taken, and FIR has been lodged. More than 2,000 persons have been booked. What the FIR content have said that on each and every incident, whether it was the clash between the police or whether it was the vandalizing the public property, FIR have been lodged, and now the action has been taken. CM Yogi Adityanath already told that they forget that this is the Uttar Pradesh and who is ruling the state. That's the reason the strict action should be taken, and a lesson should be given to all those violators of the law and order. And we can see that the Bareilly police has took the cognizance of all those FIR, and the conspirator as a conspirator. Tauqeer Raza has been arrested along with his 6 other associates. What the initial information is we are getting.
Right. Thank you, Santosh, giving us all those details.